2 weeks before departure. Departure up to the Farne Islands and Lindisfarne. Just about all the jobs are done now. I've got one little job I think left, which is to replace a navigation light still. To fit new engine counters. Those ceased to work, so we took the readings and just logged them. Now we've fitted new analog readouts, so they're in, wired in and working. The other tasks, as I said, have been to make sure the sonar works and with our navionics, and we've replaced the headlight. That is an LED remote controlled headlight, which gives up a nice typical LED light. On the stern we have our tender, which is a 3-metre rib and new Mercury 3.5 horsepower outboard. So we have to replace the nav light, which is currently down there and blocked off with the tender. I had planned to fit a new nav light up onto this rail here, but that hasn't arrived through the post, so can't fit that this weekend, so that's going to be next weekend's job, and then that's the last chance we've got. So today it's going to be fueling up, so a bit of an expensive day ahead.